If you want to change your Snapchat username, then watch this video. First, make sure your Snapchat application is on the latest version. Then open your Snapchat application. Tap on the avatar logo in the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon. Tap on the username menu. Tap on change username. Read carefully that you can only change your Snapchat username once a year. So make sure you change your username correctly. This information is valid information from Snapchat, so if there is a tutorial that teaches you can change your username 2 times or even 3 times a year, many of them are just lies. After you are sure with your username, click Save. You will be asked to enter your Snapchat password. Don't forget to watch my next video. If this tutorial didn't work for you, please write in the comments your problem. I will try my best to help you. And I would really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button.